Hi, welcome to your new construction home tour. I'm Michelle Wells with the Wells Group at People's Trust Realty, your go-to expert for new construction on Florida's Nature Coast. Today, I am thrilled to take you on a personal tour of this beautiful new construction home in Sugar Mill Woods, Homosassa, Florida. This is the Shelby Model, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home with 2,044 square feet of living space on a spacious 0.31 acre lot built by Century Complete. It features a modern open floor plan, a stunning kitchen, a versatile bonus space, and much more. This home offers quality construction at a great price in a fantastic neighborhood. And at the end of this video, I'll break down all the details, including the floor plan and the current price. The best part, this home is move-in ready today. You won't have to wait a year for construction, and I'll be walking you through every feature, showing you what makes this home truly special and why it might be the perfect fit for you and your family. So whether you're searching for your forever home or it's just a smart investment, you won't want to miss this. Ready to explore? Let's step inside and discover what could be your next dream home. Hi, this is Michelle Wells with People Trust Realty, and I was coming to you today to give you this new build, new construction home tour. And this is a Century built home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage with 2,044 square foot open concept. It is beautiful and it is open and there's plenty of space for you. So come on in and let's take a look. As you're coming in, there's a foyer, so you have plenty of outlets along the walls here to put in little cute decorations. And then of course there's the garage right here. This is a 2-car garage. The hot water tank's out here. It has an additional small tank on top. This is backwood, but and here is, again, it looks like it's going to be a 6-foot by 4-foot coat closet. So you can do a lot of storage in this room for your family, make it a mudroom, whatever. This is the large family room, living room combination here. It has this beautiful flooring here that's a luxury vinyl floor. Also, it is right in line with the open concept of the kitchen. To the left here, you will see that they have the Nest thermostat, so it's a smart feature. And then to the right, you can see out the windows here and see that all you're seeing is woods. You're not going to see anybody else's house, just the peekaboo of somebody else's roof up there. Just a peekaboo. So then we're going to come over and look at this beautiful kitchen with the long peninsula that you can fit about 5 or 6 bar stools at. All right, so this is actually a very large kitchen. There's plenty of room to walk around. There is a large peninsula, probably about 10 foot long. You can fit about 6 bar stools here. There is electric outlets on all sides. That way you have the opportunity to be able to use every outlet. And so if you're making Christmas cookies or something, everybody has the opportunity to use a mixer or whatever you want to do. Also, we have stainless steel appliances. We have shaker cabinets with the soft closed drawers. And we have this deep well sink. That is an apron sink. And that way, if you want to wash all the dishes, puppy a bath, whatever you want to do, it's available to you. You got the above range hood, microwave there. And then we're going into the pantry. Everybody needs a pantry. You have to put all your food somewhere. Everybody loves having a big pantry. This one does not disappoint. Right at the front door here, we're going to go to the right. On the left hand side here is the air handler. And then the very next room is the guest bath. It is a tub shower combo bath. And then it has the insert there. Same floor throughout as you see. Same granite countertops. And then we're going to back up and go into the laundry room. This is a good sized laundry room. You can do a lot with this room. We have this shelving here so you can put any kind of storage or soaps, whatever you want to do. You also have a place to put your laundry machine, possibly even a freezer in here if you'd like. Now, the first room here as you come out of the laundry room is one of the guest bedrooms, one of the bedrooms. Decent size. I'll give you the sizes of these after the fact, so that way I can get all the information and the floor plan for you. Here is the bath, or the closet. It's a little bit of a walk-in closet, not too much walking in, but you do get to walk in. And it has more space than a traditional closet. And to the left again, we are in the next bedroom. Now every one of these rooms has the can light on the ceiling there. You can always change that to a chandelier, just another light fixture if you don't like just the plain can light, but it's always nice to have some natural light also. So we have a window behind and we have the same type of walk-in closet in this room. Don't forget these 2 panel doors. We got 2 panel doors on all the doors as we go through the house, except for this louver door for the air handler. By the way, this is a Carrier air handler, so that is a good brand, and everybody likes an air conditioner that works well. Living room here, we're going to pan to the left. This will be to the left of the door. There is this little alcove. You can put a little cute decorative table here if you'd like, shoe cabinet, whatever you'd like. Also, this is the master. We have carpet and 2 windows here. That way the carpet, everybody likes that on their feet when they're sleeping. And then we're gonna go into the master bath now. So again, 2 pocket doors. We're going to go into the sink here. It's the same granite countertops and same shaker style cabinets. But this has 2 dual sinks in it. It has a dual sink in it, and then it has the shower, the stand-up shower in the bathroom, as well as entry to the closet. Behind the closet door, our linen closet. So you can put all your linens, all your soaps, everything you need in bulk. But if you go through the bathroom here, we have the large walk-in closet. So that's one side of it. Here's the other side. This little alcove built in here for the throne room. Outside of it is the sink again with the 2 mirrors and the dual sinks. promised, I am back with more details on this beautiful Shelby Model home. This 2024 build home has 2,044 square feet of living space on a generous 0.31 acre lot, priced at just $317,990. This is a fantastic value in today's market for both new builds and existing homes. This model is available in multiple locations throughout Florida, from Jacksonville all the way down to Cape Coral, which does include West Central Florida's Nature Coast, Hernando, Citrus, and Pasco counties. Now keep in mind, prices can vary depending on upgrades, features, land costs, impact fees, and more. But I am also excited to share with you that this home qualifies for all traditional loans, including the USDA Rural Development Loan. So thanks to its location, the USDA loan offers incredible benefits like zero down payment, a lower mortgage rate, which is currently at 4.89%, and no PMI insurance, potentially saving you up to $397 a month. For more details, check out my videos on USDA loans and also for PMI loans, or reach out to me directly. Sugar Mill Woods is a vibrant community offering everything you can think of: golf, pro shops, swimming pool, sports complexes, tennis, pickleball, racquetball, gym, clubhouses, restaurants, activities for all ages. With its abundant green spaces, it provides a serene and spacious living environment. If Sugar Mill Woods isn't quite what you're looking for, don't worry. New construction is booming across Florida, and I'm here to help you explore all of your options. Call, text, or email me for a personalized guidance on buying, selling, or finding your dream home. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube page and comment below with what you love about this home or what other communities that you'd like to see next. Your engagement helps more people find this video and allows me to continue bringing you the content that you want. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.